Morning, family. It's Ham's Loft. It's 7:24 in the morning, 72 degrees, and I'm at 2.5. The birds beat me home yesterday, so we just went on and jumped out, and we're gonna jump out just a little bit further. All we are is straight down the same street. Okay. We're straight down the same street. I released here, not last year, but the year before. Last year I jumped from that parking lot to another spot, which was like 5 miles, and I got hit hard. 15 birds disappeared, but I wound up getting most of them back, but they wound up trickling in a couple of days later. So I'm going back to my original thing, and let's jump from 1.5 miles to 2 miles, and then I'll jump to 5 miles. But I'm on the other side of the lake. My house is on that side of the lake, so we're gonna get them out. They've been sitting already for about 10 minutes, so I didn't put my bag down because this is an abandoned parking lot. See, it's fenced completely in. Ain't no building here. They just didn't want people to use the parking lot, so they fenced it in. So let's get them ready to go. I know they gotta go that way. I know that much. There they go. I think the birds belong. I think they're park birds. You see how little they are? They're just little birds. They tagging on. They already broke off. Took one of my birds. My bird broke back. They're getting some height. I got about 2 stragglers if you look at them. Seeing if I can get a close up. Yeah. From the height, I know they can see the park where the big church at. From that height, I can barely see the tip of the church steeple, so I know they can see the steeple. But they are tight. Everybody is together. Well, we know they don't need to come back on this side of the water. We see I got one broke off. Okay. He's 2 of them over top of me now, but it's a total of 51. 51 with one being a old bird, so 50. I'm gonna put you on pause. Let me pack everything up. See if they still out here hanging around when I get done. Still got one above me. Okay, they came back across the water. They definitely going the wrong way. I can tell you that. My best friend, one of the friends in the loft, lives that way about a mile. So they definitely going the wrong way. You see them all the way over there. Yep. But you never know. They might know something I don't. But let's head to the house. Looks like we got quite a few birds back.
Good evening. Welcome to Tom's Bistro. Let me tell you about our menu. We have a full selection of synthetic
So
topped with artificial colors.
let's see what's up there.
The artificial preservatives you see on the menu.
So I guess there's more than one way to get home, ain't it?
We have fluoride, which I would
All right. That's there and back 4.8 miles. So let's go check on them. It's 7:38. Ooh, the whole damn, I'm quite sure. It looks like the whole group is here. Yeah, I want to say the whole group is here. Nobody's panting. Well, it's a couple of them. The water's in the inside, so you know I gotta let them in. Those are the 7 that haven't flew with the group. And then we got a few on top. Looks like my camera's a little fuzzy, but ain't nothing we can do about that. All right, family. Looks like they did make it home before me, but we're going to the exact same spot tomorrow. We're supposed to get about 4 or 5 days of rain, so that's one of them problems that I have. Even though my races are the second week in September, you're gonna lose time because of weather. You're gonna lose time because I oversleep for work. I'm gonna lose time. So the best thing I can do is just get them out there as much as I can. Of course, I'll fly them again later on today. All right, comment, subscribe, do what you do. Peace. And special shout out to Hidden Hollow Loft. Hope you get better, brother, and do your thing.